Buckley Fence Truck Unload. Buckley Fence ships via standard dry van semi-trailers for standard installs. You get 2 hours of free unloading time. Unloading requires a tractor, fork truck, or skid steer that has a load rating for 5,000 plus pounds. We recommend 6-foot forks or 6-foot extensions on standard forks for the best results. Call us for recommendations if standard forks are to be used. Assure the trailer has space to park on level ground. If the ground is not level, roll the trailer up on ramps to level it out before unloading. Crates are stacked as tall as 3 high. With rail crates, that adds up to 5,000 pounds. Post crates are only 2,160 pounds stacked 3 high. Post crates are stacked 2 high on an uneven field. Rail crates are also stacked 2 high on an uneven field. Crates can be anywhere in the trailer, and that means you need at least 55 feet of heavy nylon strapping to assure reach to the farthest crates. Use only nylon strapping, no steel chains. This is for safety in case of a break of the straps while pulling. When pulling crates, attach on the far side so the nylon strapping will not break. This is critical to successful unloading. Remove the stack that has the greatest side-to-side clearance first. Loop the strapping around the bottom of the crate end on the far side. That loop is then attached to the next strap by looping that second strap through both loop ends. Do this until you have the length to attach to the tractor. In this case, we hooked on the fork rack with steel hooks, but strapping loops are also a good way to do this. Remove crates from the door end one at a time and stage them for the job. Field stacking on hard flat surfaces can be 3 high. On level concrete flooring, the stacks can be higher. The product is narrower than the crate ends by 1 inch on each side. Those ends should never contact the adjacent stacked goods during movement, as this can cause the crate ends to catch each other, or they can cause the crate end to contact and damage the product. After removing the crates nearest the doors, you will then need to slide stacks of crates back to the door for unloading, since access to the far side of the crate stacks can be tough to access. You can hook up on the near side only on post crates, not heavy rail crate stacks, if there is no other choice. Even this can cause band breakage, as seen here. Be ready to stop quickly if a band breaks to prevent full crate detachment from the load. Gates are unloaded in a similar manner. Gate pallets can be 13 feet long, but have a maximum weight of only 1,000 pounds. Please be aware that gates have less headroom in the truck when stacked too high, so lifting is done by just 1 inch or 2 lift on the fork end, then tilting the forks back to level the gates within the truck. As you ease out with the top gate pallet, go slowly and adjust the level of the load to assure you clear both the roof and the load below. Here we are unloading a full lower 13-foot gate pallet, carefully tilting back before fully lowering. If you have any difficulty unloading, please call us. Our experience can get you out of a jam before you make it any worse. Buckley Fence.